Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save a PowerPoint template to your computer, a simple way to reuse your favorite slide designs anytime you want. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint and either create a new presentation or open an existing one that you'd like to turn into a template. Once your design is ready, go to the File tab in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Save As. Next, choose the location on your computer where you want to save the file. For example, your desktop or documents folder. Now, under the Save As type drop-down menu, select PowerPoint template *.potx. This format ensures that your design, layout, and styles are saved as a reusable template. Give your template a name, something descriptive like Business Presentation Template, and click Save. That's it. Your PowerPoint template has now been saved to your computer. To use it later, just open PowerPoint, click File greater than New, then choose Personal or Custom to find your saved templates. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to save and reuse your PowerPoint templates for future presentations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.